we've got over 30 years industry experience within our software product, and we work with some of the largest entities within the UK. As we see companies expand and move forward and want to take on our product, potentially to these customers, they're looking for a quick fix, to start with. And then we can grow that business depending on how they want to go or where they want to go. An installation can be as simplistic as a couple of weeks, and that can give you a baseline installation to manual cutting and be where you need to be for a smaller business. You and I often encounter the larger or the mid-tier to larger businesses, and at that point we will then go into that business and we will discover their exact needs, and we will produce a scope of works that can then vary from that simplistic 2 weeks sort of delivery point to 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 months, depending on the needs of the business. We can also grow those fabricators. So once we take on that, let's call it that 2-week fabricator, and we've done that initial delivery, there's often other things that we encounter that they want to bring on board, they want to drill into, but aren't prepared to necessarily do that from day one because it's too big a leap forward for them. Some of these customers are coming into a world that they've never dealt with before. These are fabricators, they're not software experts, and we have to nurture and build those businesses so as they can see the ability and the functionality that the suite of software can bring, but also what they will deliver for that business in question.
When can a customer start seeing return on revenue for that?
If we looked at an entry-level business, that return on investment is almost immediate. Because if we are looking at that giveaway product they might have received from a profile house as an example, that usually takes a lot of training, a lot of expertise. They've got to usually be CAD oriented. The window designer product training can be as little as half an hour with some of the basics, and you can be up and running. And as long as that's been pre-configured for the user, it's very easy to train on how do we create a window, how do we create a door, how do we create a bifold, whatever's pre-configured. And then pushing that to manufacture is a matter of point and click in relation to optimize it if that's the way you're going and produce the manufacturing sheet. So yeah, the actual return on investment can be almost instantaneous on the initial delivery.